Hey, what's going on? Here's Corey, and I just want to go over a six-figure closing strip that's in the back office of Infinity Processing System, and the importance of it. I know I talk a lot about the pre-written ads and how the ads are highly attractive, and how members are having good success with posting the pre-written ads. But along with the pre-written ads, there's a closing script that she's entailed in the videos, so that way you know how to open up to other people. That way you know how to vent them and know where they at in the buying pocket when it comes to selling online. You want to know where a person is in a buying pocket, so that way when they ask you about your opportunity, you have a better recognition on how to explain it to them and see how if it's a perfect fit for them, because it doesn't fit for everybody, or if it is a perfect fit for them, what level should they join at, what's their income goals, if they ever been online, have they ever done any type of marketing. You want to know all these questions, so that way you can better help them understand how this can help them before you want to give them your link and show them your opportunity. So in the back office, the creator put in a closing script that she used over and over to be able to close when she gets customers asking her about the opportunity from the pre-written ads. The pre-written ads is to attract the people to you, and the closing strip is to close and make the sale, so that way they join the opportunity and you make a sale and make the 100% commissions, or they come back and get with you at a later date. Just know, not everyone's gonna buy the first time. Not everyone's gonna want to just join your opportunity. They could just be information seekers, and that's all right. But knowing how to vent them and knowing what their issues are, and how to help them with their problems, is this hands down. The closing strip is the best one of them I've read, and I've read many. I've been through many sales courses, because when I was a manufacturer worker working for a manufacturing home company, I've always seen those guys in the worker white hats come down with people, and they were never dirty, always dressed nice. And I asked them what department they worked in, and they told me they worked in the sales department, where they get a commission for every time someone bought a trailer, and they also get a monthly salary for work for doing sales. So I got real close to one of the guys in the sales group, and sales became really itchy to me. So I started taking the time to learn sales and learn and get the knowledge, and to be able to do sales, and knowing where that person is in the buying pocket. See, you have Mr. John, who's over here in A, and you have Mr. Bob over here, Mr. B. John could not know nothing about marketing and never done marketing online, and Bob knows a little bit about marketing, been there, done that. Now, John's gonna have more questions than Bob. Bob might just want to know what the system consists of. Maybe he'll join and maybe he won't. John want to know how the system works. Where do he get the leads from? He wants to know a little bit more intel. So being able to understand and know where your prospects are within the buying pocket, and having a six-figure closing strip to help you understand where they at, and them understand if this is a perfect opportunity for you, is a awesome thing to have. It's one of the things I truly love about Infinity Processing System, that all the training in the back office is highly valuable, and that it's super simple to understand. It's not overcomplicated unless you make it overcomplicated. Using this closing strip, you can have the potential to earn from $50, $150, $300, depending on where you come in at in the entry level, and what type of earning you want to make on your online business. So if you want to make, just say, a thousand a day, if you come in at the $300 level, you would only have to make 4 sales, and that's 1,200 that you would make within a day. Let's go over to my chalkboard here. So at the Pro 300 level, you will be able to earn all the way across the board from $300, $150, and $50 commissions. Now, income disclosure, what you will make, it solely depend upon you and how you promote the opportunity and how you put your best foot forward in the business. Excuse me, I got a little itchy nose there. But you can see the possibility if you have one sale at one sale a day would be $300. If you got 3 sales, one sale a day would be $300 at $2,100 weekly income. If you made one $300 sale per day. If you made just 3 sales in a day, that's $900. If you made 4, there's that $1,200 that you made in one day as a pro affiliate when you come in at the pro level. I do have my link in the description in the bottom. If you want to see value in this and you want to get started, I do have a $300 pro action taker bonus. I'm going to pay your website fee and I'm going to send 200 clicks to your offer. That's $140 value. And why would I do that? Because I want to help as many people as possible at the end of this year to be able to start an at-home business. You're going to get ongoing leadership with me, so that way you know how and what to do when it comes to Affinity Processing System. If you if you enjoyed this, please hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom and get with me. I have my link down in the description for Facebook. Get with me through Messenger, and I'll see you guys.